Hello everybody. Well, I spent the day painting and clear coating the plastic bumper filler between the bumper and the body, the rear one. Used the SEM Sand Free to soften the plastic a little bit. I don't know if it really worked or not. It might not have been compatible, but seems to be alright. You can see I used the E9, which is the body color of the car. The clear coat makes it really look nice. Now it's a 40-some-year-old part, so you know the finish isn't perfect on it. I thought about trying to sand it down. I thought, you know, then it won't look quite right. I do like the way, you can see it on here, the way the weathered part came out right through here. It's kind of rough. Well, it actually looks pretty good. Most of this will be either buried into the body or under the bumper, but just this little part here will be showing. I'm pretty pleased the way it came out. We'll have to see how it weathers in the future. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Might have found my new calling, painting plastic.